Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Audi Q3 2016, and I'm just going to show you where the location of your locking wheel nut is. So there will be a locking wheel nut, a key for opening one of your bolts here. So four of these are 17 mil, and one of them is a locking wheel, and you need a key to open that. And I'm just going to show you where that is in this car. And if you go to the boot and you open this here, you're gonna find your locking wheel nut. It's hiding right at the back over there. So I was looking for it everywhere and I couldn't really see it. It's usually somewhere here or around the tire area, or sometimes you even find it on the panels on the sides here, but in this case it was there. And yeah, as I was saying, sometimes because you have some of the tools here, jacking tools and whatnot, and the locking wheel nut used to be in this cover in some Audis. So anyway, just in case you struggle like me to find your locking wheel nut, it's there. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video. So thank you for watching.